How to apply for Amex Card. So let's get started. To initiate a card application, all you have to do is go to the Amex.com or Amex app and click Apply for Card in the Program Management section. Navigate to Send Applications tab and choose the application option that suits your applicant. There are three ways to apply for card. First one is self-initiate. Select the desired access key, click card applicant self-initiate link, then click OK and share the link along with access key to enable the card applicant to apply for the card. Now the other one is quick send. Click quick send to initiate a card application with a simple configuration. Then enter the required details such as basic control account name, applicant editable field, and applicant details. Click Next Review and submit the details in the next screen for further actions. Now the third one is to send to an applicant. Select the required access key by clicking the checkbox next to the access key name, then click Send to Applicant. Select the fields for which you want to enable the applicant to edit. Click Next to continue and review and submit the details in the next screen for further actions. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.